The first assertion when you bring up homeschooling, well, you need to make sure the child is socialized. What does that mean? Socialization, after all, is a neutral term. Teenagers join gangs every day and are definitely being socialized for something. So socialize them how? At IndED, we're committing to building good character and sound communication skills. We make sure that students get to interact with their community. We seek truth through conversation and discourse, and in using our moral imagination. In the end, sharing this search with others is a road to meaningful relationships. If you seek more than just socialization, ask us about our Civics and Community course or full curricular program. If you're ready, go to inded.us/microschool and fill out the form for a free, no obligation consultation.